Drink clove tea every day for 1 week. See what happens to your body. Did you know that a tiny spice like cloves can pack a punch not just in flavor, but also in health benefits? From regulating blood sugar to fighting off bacteria, cloves offer a myriad of advantages beyond their culinary appeal. Join us as we explore the surprising ways clove tea can enhance your well-being. Nutrient-rich. Unlocking the potential for wholesome nutrition, cloves emerge as a treasure trove of essential elements. Whether utilized in a tea, their whole form, or as a ground spice, cloves contribute a significant array of vital nutrients like manganese and vitamin K. Manganese plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal brain function and fostering the development of robust bones. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting, bone metabolism, and supporting overall cardiovascular health. Antioxidant-rich. Apart from being a source of essential vitamins and minerals, clove tea boasts a high antioxidant content, particularly due to the presence of eugenol, a compound demonstrated to be a powerful natural antioxidant that outperforms vitamin E in preventing oxidative damage caused by free radicals, highlighting the potential of cloves to reduce oxidative stress and contribute to overall health when incorporated into a diet rich in antioxidants. Kills bacteria. With proven antimicrobial properties, clove tea exhibits the ability to combat bacteria, including strains like E. coli. These antibacterial features extend to oral health, with studies indicating that cloves can inhibit bacteria linked to gum disease. In a 21-day trial using herbal mouthwash containing cloves, participants showed improved gum health, reduced plaque, and better bacterial control, suggesting the potential benefits of cloves in enhancing oral hygiene when combined with regular brushing. Can improve liver health. Clove tea may contribute to improved liver health, with the compound eugenol being particularly beneficial. Animal studies suggest that eugenol in cloves can enhance liver function, reduce inflammation, and mitigate oxidative stress. While limited human research is available, one small study indicated that eugenol supplements may impact enzymes associated with detoxification, potentially benefiting the liver. However, it's crucial to be cautious as eugenol can be toxic in high amounts. Blood sugar control. Cloves may play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. Clove extract can help moderate blood sugar increases in mice with diabetes. Additionally, studies on human muscle cells in diabetic mice revealed that cloves and nigericin, a compound in cloves, enhance sugar uptake into cells, increase insulin secretion, and improve the function of insulin-producing cells. Since insulin is crucial for maintaining steady blood sugar levels by transporting sugar from the blood into cells, incorporating cloves into a balanced diet may contribute to keeping blood sugar levels in check. Bone health. Clove tea may contribute to bone health, as cloves contain compounds like eugenol that have shown promise in preserving bone mass in animal studies. Additionally, cloves are rich in manganese, a mineral vital for bone formation, may protect against cancer. While preliminary research indicates that compounds in cloves may possess potential cancer-fighting properties by inhibition of tumor growth and promotion of cell death in various cancer cells, caution is warranted. Notably, these studies utilize concentrated amounts of clove extract, clove oil, and eugenol, with eugenol itself showing anti-cancer effects. Ulcers. Stomach ulcers, also known as peptic ulcers, are painful sores that develop in the stomach, duodenum, or esophagus. In animal studies, essential oil from cloves increase the production of gastric mucus, serving as a protective barrier against digestive acids. So, cloves offer a range of potential health benefits, from regulating blood sugar to inhibiting bacterial growth. For optimal results, incorporate them into a well-rounded, healthy diet by adding a few servings of cloves to your meals each week. Create a comforting cup of clove tea by simmering whole cloves in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Alternatively, utilize ground cloves to infuse desserts, curries, or chutneys with their warm and distinctive flavor. Exercise caution, as excessive consumption of cloves or clove oil may pose toxicity risks, especially in high amounts, and can lead to adverse health effects. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, you might like this one as well.